The French Commune of Paris in 1871 stands as a profound episode in revolutionary history, where workers and citizens sought to take control of their own destinies, aiming to install a government that was by the people and for the people. In a turbulent backdrop of political turmoil, economic disparity, and social unrest, the citizens of Paris decided to rise against the status quo. Here's a detailed breakdown explaining the key moments, which can be transformed into 32 clips to provide a comprehensive understanding of this historic revolt. Scene 1. Backdrop of despair amidst the Franco-Prussian War, France finds itself in a dire state, with its economy shattered and the spirit of its people dwindling. Paris, once the beacon of French power, becomes the epicenter of suffering as the capital is besieged, starving the population and sowing seeds of dissatisfaction. Scene 2. Fall of the Second Empire. The Second French Empire collapses with the capture of Napoleon III, leading to the establishment of the Third Republic. The political instability prompts citizens and radical thinkers to challenge the government's effectiveness, bringing different ideologies to the fore. Scene 3. The Siege of Paris. As Bismarck's forces encircle Paris, the city undergoes a brutal siege. Food and resources are scarce, and desperation lingers in the air, fueling revolutionary thoughts among its working-class population. Scene 4. Birth of revolutionary spirit. Despite the hardships, there arises a sense of solidarity. Meetings and discussions, held at cafes and clandestine gatherings, emphasize unity among workers, intellectuals, and soldiers, fostering a spirit yearning for change. Scene 5. Outcry for reform. Amid the waning days of the siege, citizens demand reform from the national government. Distant and overwhelmed, the government struggles to meet these calls, heightening frustrations among the masses. Scene 6. The Kleber March. Hungry and desperate, Parisians stage the Kleber March, making visible their suffering and determination to fight for their rights. This march becomes a pivotal moment, symbolizing the strength of the people's desire for autonomy. Scene 7. Society's collapse. The armistice signed with Prussia aims to alleviate the suffering, but the resulting peace treaty holds harsh terms that further encroach upon French autonomy. The working class sees this as betrayal, rallying cries for revolt grow stronger. Scene 8. Seizing of cannons. The National Guard, sympathizing with Parisian grievances, refuses to surrender their artillery as demanded by the government. Instead, they seize control of the city's cannons, asserting Paris' defiance against central authority. Scene 9. Declaration of the Commune. On March 28th, the Commune is declared. The city adopts self-governance, aiming for a society rooted in democratic and socialist ideals. This act of defiance sets stage for a new period of governance. Scene 10. Governance and radical policies. Embracing radical policies, the Commune abolishes conscription, institutes a workers' insurance scheme, and separates church and state. These reforms align with the desire for a fairer society, but also provoke opposition. Scene 11. The working class agenda. Empowered, the working class envisions new horizons. The policy of communal workshops and reimagined labor models reflects their hopes for societal transformation. Scene 12. Women take charge. Female figures emerge as vital participants, advocating for gender equality. Louise, Michel, and other women play a crucial role in social services, education, and the Commune's defense. Scene 13. Intellectual debates in cafes and meeting halls. Intellectuals argue over the ways to build this new society. These debates fortify the ideological foundations and aspirations of the Commune. Scene 14. Countercommunal sentiments. Outside Paris, The idea of the commune breeds fear and hostility among the French elite and rural populations. The tension between revolutionary ideas and traditional norms sharpens the national divide.